This video goes over how to properly wash your hands as a caregiver.
We will review the CDC recommendations for how to wash your hands. So there's officially 7 steps, but the goal is to keep your hands clean, and this can stop germs, viruses, especially now during the age of COVID. People are extremely nervous. So CDC guidelines have established 7 steps to accomplish this. So initially, the goal is to have soap and water if you can, but alcohol with a concentration of 60 to 95% or more. This is 99.99 right there. That says it kills, but you want at least 60%. So you want to set up either your soap and your warm water and your paper towels ahead of time, or you want your alcohol concentration. So start with the soap and evenly wet the hands and wrists. Apply some soap to your hands right there. So you can see our model there is applying soap to her hands, to the hands and wrists. And the goal is to go for about 20 seconds and rub for 20 seconds. Interlace your fingers, get your wrists. So rinse thoroughly at this point with your hands pointed down so that the water can run down. So that just lets everything kind of clean off your hands. Then dry your hands with a paper towel. At this point, you can get rid of that paper towel. Just make sure you get all that wet stuff off your hand there. But then get a separate paper towel to turn off the faucet. And there you go. That's the CDC 7-step guideline.
If this video helped, check the show notes. We can help with caregivers, internal medicine, visiting podiatrists at home or your facility. If you need a job, apply down. We're always looking for great caregivers to help out as well. Thank you.